Hello and welcome, it's Terry here for Tailored Expressions. Today I am sharing a card made using some of the new liquid watercolors. Let's get started. Before we jump in, let's go over the supplies. I will be using butterfly print embossing folder, watercolor papers, A2 postage stamp stacklets, liquid watercolors, water dropper, Shimmer liquid watercolor, and paintbrushes. To create the watercolor background, I am adding a few drops of liquid watercolors to my palette. I am using the colors Saltwater Taffy, Tiki Mule, Rock Candy, Bubblegum, Berry Smoothie, and Pear. To add some interest between the colors, I added a drop of Shimmer liquid watercolor to each of the blue shades. I trimmed the watercolor cardstock down to an A2 size card panel. I then went in with the largest brush that I had on hand, brushed a thin layer of water onto the card panel. Now using a smaller brush, I am adding colors to the palette by tapping the paintbrush lightly onto the panel after I loaded some color onto the brush. I don't have any reasons to where I'm placing the colors on my panel. I am just playing around here and having fun mixing the colors around. I started off with Pear, then added Bubblegum along with Berry Smoothie. To add some contrast, I added Saltwater Taffy, Tiki Mule, and Rock Candy, and I also added a drop or two of the Shimmer liquid watercolor. Now using the butterfly print embossing folder, I ran that into my die cutting machine with the watercolor panel. I love how this turned out. I love how the shimmers from the blue watercolor paints hits against the light. Off screen, I ran A2 postage stamp stacklet with Latte colored cardstock into my die cutting machine. I trimmed the embossed panel down to fit into the middle of the postage stamp stacklet. I then used foam strips and placed that onto the back of the panel and adhered it down to a top folding card base. For the sentiment, I wanted to keep it simple against the background panel, so I decided to use simple strips in reverse for everyday occasions. I glued that towards the bottom of the card panel. And that is it. I hope you enjoy this tutorial and I hope you have time to play around in your craft space. Don't forget to like this video and follow along for more inspirational videos. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.